In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for free in 2026. If you want to try Grok without immediately paying for a subscription, you can start by checking the free access options currently available with your Grok account. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to the official Grok website. You can also use an official Grok application or supported platform if one is available for your device. Next, sign in to your Grok account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the available registration process. After signing in, open the Grok chat interface. This is where you can enter prompts and interact with the AI assistant. To get started, type a simple question or instruction. You can ask Grok to explain a topic, generate ideas, write content, summarize information, help with coding, or assist with other tasks supported by the free version. When writing prompts, be specific about what you want. For example, tell Grok what the task is, who the content is for, and what format you prefer. You can also ask follow-up questions to improve the response. If the first answer isn't exactly what you need, ask Grok to rewrite it, make it shorter, add more details, or change the tone. Depending on the current free access available to your account, some advanced features may have usage limits or may require a paid plan. If you reach a limit, check the information shown in Grok for details about when access may become available again or what upgrade options exist. Also remember that free access and feature availability can change over time, so the exact options you see may be different from those shown in this video.